Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Madic from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, and Madic, also known as Polygon, is a popular one for fast transactions. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresh, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it confidently in under a few minutes. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need an active account on both Coinbase and XMO, with some Madic sitting in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network, typically Ethereum, for Madic transfers. This helps avoid any hiccups along the way. Alright, let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet and select the Madic token. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the recipient's wallet address from XMO. To get that, hop over to your XMO account, go to your wallet section, and copy the Madic deposit address. Pro tip: always paste it carefully to prevent any typos, as that could mean losing your funds forever. Step 3. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Make sure it's less than what you have available, and don't forget to account for any network fees. Coinbase will show you an estimate, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review and confirm the transaction. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, hit confirm, and Coinbase will process the transfer. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once it's done, head back to XMO and check your wallet to confirm the Madic has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to the exchange support or check transaction status on a blockchain explorer. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Madic from Coinbase to XMO in 2025. It's a simple process, but always prioritize security in the crypto world. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.